Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials. Sign into Apple. Apple. To confirm your Apple ID and password because Find My uses that account. Once done, make sure the iPhone is charged above 20% and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. Low power or no network blocks location updates. Also enable location services in Settings Privacy. Without location, the device can't report. These quick checks prevent common failures and prepare you for the actionable. Now open Settings, tap your name, then Find My and toggle on Find My iPhone and send last location so the device reports before power loss. If family sharing is used, enable Share My Location. This lets others see the device. When locations don't appear, check iCloud storage and sync. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh tokens. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to reauthorize. These steps fix most account and sync barriers that block Find My. Finally, use the Find My app or iCloud. To locate the iPhone, play a sound, or enable Lost Mode to display contact info. This helps recovery while keeping data secure. Only choose Erase iPhone if you cannot retrieve it, because Activation Lock still ties the device to your Apple ID. After taking these actions, test by locating the device again and confirming status updates. If nothing works, contact Apple support with your device serial or EMEI for account-level investigation. This is the single most effective escalation tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.